Well, we'll see how bad this gets. See right down there at the bottom right from that point on my tattoo, there's a bee sting. So we'll see how big that gets. Is there admission or something to go see the big cow?
Nope, you keep up there and see the cow.
Okay, all right, thanks.
Yep.
Silly tuba noises here. Well, that did about what I thought it would. I don't feel very shaky, but I also haven't had a lot to eat today. I don't know what they're doing here. North Dakota Country Fest or something in New Salem. Oh, I thought that was going to be about the statue. There's a large cow here. I also saw a large buffalo earlier today on the other side of the state. Let's go up there and check it out. Salem Sioux, apparently. Yes, it's big. Okay, now that I'm up here, you can listen to me gasp for breath as I spin slowly in a circle. Whew. Do I regret climbing all the way up there? No, but I do both rue and lament it. That's a lot steeper than it looks. I'm leaned back about 20 or 30 degrees like a cartoon character trying to walk away casually to jazz music. There we go. So this is the second center of the United States that I've been to. Oh, deer shit, don't step in that. This is the second one today. I'm also going to Belfourche, I don't know how you pronounce it, someone will correct me, South Dakota tomorrow. And I'm gonna go to 3 different centers of the United States. There's also another one in Rugby, but that's a different trip. That's my final North Dakota trip to get all the rest of the counties. And there's also a center of the United States. I think it's in east central Kansas, something like that. I'll eventually get to that one too. I figure if I go to all of them, eventually one of them will be right. I mean, the country's been around a long time and no one said definitively which one's the center. So while I hike out here, I don't know how they determined this one. I'll read it and tell you, but Rugby, I've heard that it was, they made a cardboard cutout of the U.S. and tried to balance it on a single point, and that was outside of Rugby. Robinson, the bar, Hanson's Bar in Robinson, the guy just said it's a center, and it just happened to be inside his bar. Belfourche, I think the U.S. Geological Survey said it was there, but if I'm talking nonsense, I'll actually put what it really is in edit when I finish the video. Big rock, I don't know. Big rock in a field. Okay then. Geographical center of Oliver County. A geographer, we don't have a name, some geographer determined that it was also the center of the continent. That sounds like as strong a claim as the guy with the bar going, yep, I drew lines on a map right here in my bar. Okie dokie. What are their names? Name them. Well, welcome to Fort Sauerkraut. Yeah, there it is, the whole thing. So you got to wind your way all the way back through town and then come up here, and then this is what it looks like. 635 miles even today. So the Regent Hotel is an old school. Classrooms are converted to hotel rooms. And there's just random suits of armor.